Good morning, rise and shine, everyone. Caesar, the car emperor here. I told you that the videos would come hard and fast, and here's my next one. Look at it. It's the crack of dawn. The sun hasn't even come up, and I'm out and about. As I said to you, this is what I believe going above and beyond in terms of customer services. We can't just sit and wait for the people to come into the dealership or give us a call and say, hey, I want that color. You have to really just work for it. And lo and behold, today I'm out on the road. I got up at 5 in the morning. Didn't really want to, but that's what you got to do for customers, particularly customers such lovely as this, my sister. Say hello, Ev.
Hello.
So Evelyn asked me to help her get some finance. I sold her and her awesome husband Will their last car, which was my pride and joy. I actually bought it for myself, but you know, William is very persistent. So they're looking for their second car today, and she asked me to go and help her look at it. So here we are. What, do you have any words to say? What's your car emperor experience like?
Well, for the finance, I have to say I was super impressed. I am very picky, and
you don't say.
very hard to please, to say the least. And it was easy. It's the easiest way for me to send documents within 24 hours. I had a response pretty much. Super impressed. And again, now we are driving to see a possible car, and what best to go with the guy that knows all about the cars, and he can tell me what he thinks. So I can't wait. I'm excited.
Awesome. There you go. Just because she's my sister, she's not lying, I promise. But look, you know, the reality is that buying cars has changed the way, the process, you know. It's hard for some of the old traditional car people to get that around it, but the process has changed, and we have to adapt with it. We have to change with it, and you know, if you want to survive, you have to do what it takes to help your customer, to help the client. So here we go. I'll keep you posted. Have a good day. Go smash it, everyone.